Hey friends, on today's quick video, we are going to be resetting this newer Samsung 4K. This is an 85-inch TV, but this system is going to work for pretty much any Samsung TV that's using the latest software update. Let's jump into it. Okay, so we're on the home screen and we're going to be going over into the settings menu. From the settings menu, we are going to scroll down to general. And then from general, we're going to go over into the sub menu and we're going to be scrolling down here. And all the way down at the bottom, you're going to find the little reset button. Let's go ahead and push that. Now, again, you may have a pin that's associated with your TV. Our default, and the default on yours should just be 00000. All right, from here we can confirm the reset. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of time. And then the TV will shut down. Again, remember, this is going to delete all of your apps as well as your presets and those kind of things that you have set up on the TV. So everything's going to be factory reset. That's about it, friends. Let the reboot happen and you should be good to go. Hope this helps. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We got a ton more Samsung tutorials that will be released soon.